Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, this is excellent internship opportunity for all the engineering and the non-engineering students. So, this is what I'm going to cover. So, for 6 months internship, the company is called Alma Base. So, Alma Base is basically all-in-one platform that provides companies with connecting different communities. So it says alumni, so it's alumni base is nothing but alumni database, and they have total 500 plus education institutions and non-profit organizations which are using alma base across globally. And in USA it's growing fast and has presence in every state in United States of America, USA. So it's a US based company with a global presence, and if you can see in US it is available in all the states of USA. So it's a quite growing company. And why we are talking about here is basically the internship position in India. So the position is called software development engineer intern at Alma base. Location is Bangalore, India, and this is basically internship employment, and after that there is a pre-placement offer possible, and 25-26 students can apply. So basically students who have passed or the students who are going to pass in 2026 batch, they can apply for this 6 months internship. Every month you will get 40,000 per month, so it's a 2.4 lakhs overall you can earn, plus employment is possible, right? So this is the opportunity which I'm discussing. Software development engineer intern, you will work closely with the engineering team to design, build and improve product features in dynamic fast-paced environment with strong focus on reliability, stability and quality, right? So this will be hands-on exposure to real world engineering challenges, right, which allows you for rapid scalable, building rapid scalable systems, improving reliability and understanding modern software development, deployment and maintenance, right? So that is the exposure. And there are three positions available for SDE intern, right? So you can see here there are three tracks. Track A is basically for product feature development, alignment with product roadmap, so including scoping, building, iteration on customer environment. So this is basically product management type of intern. Then there is a track B, second internship position, which is for custom dashboards and internal tools, right? So there are three internship positions. That's what I am disclosing data. So this will be for quarterly business reviews. You have to maintain tools for data visualization, monitoring, and reporting. So somebody is interested in data internship, this is the right opportunity. And then there is a third internship, which is about reliability of debugging, resolving, and so basically incident management type of systems you are building part of this. So responsibilities is to build and enhance backend systems, tools and dashboards. You have to write clean, maintainable and efficient code in Python and the Django, and you have to debug, troubleshoot. For all the three type of internships, you can choose any one of them based on your background they can provide. And you have to do root cause analysis, which is RCA. You have to prove reliability initiatives like bug fixing, etc., as mentioned. You have to do code reviews, design discussions and sprint ceremonies. You will work with third party integration and internal tools, and you will gain exposure in a lot of technologies like databases, cloud deployment, CI/CD pipelines, etc. So you have to also document solutions and share knowledge internally within the company, and you will assist in testing, deployment and monitoring to understand end-to-end systems operations, right? So that is the opportunity. So definitely one of the key focus areas what you will going to learn is basically scalable backend systems using Python and Django. So that was the main focus area. Optimized databases queries you are going to learn. Your production reliability issues will be the focus area, so you will learn that also. System performance, fault tolerance and scalability is one of the important aspects, and developing and integrating REST APIs with external devices, etc., are all part of. So good amount of exposure you are going to get here. So what is the requirement? So they are looking for somebody who is solid foundation in computer science fundamentals, the DSA, algorithms, OOPS programming, and proficiency in Python. Experience with Django is plus. REST APIs, HTTP, understanding, familiarity. They are not saying experience, only understanding, and understanding of databases, SQL schema, basic knowledge of CI/CD pipeline, cloud deployment, and version control systems. And then they're also talking about ability to write clean, maintainable, efficient code, right? And hands-on experience in some other form of understanding or hands-on, anything is fine with them. And good to have is additional, that's not necessarily compulsory, but if you have some exposure to react.js or vue.js or any other front-end framework, then that will be beneficial for you. Any familiarity with Git Docker or cloud-based system, such as Amazon Web Services. Good. Participation in any open source projects, if you have done, that is also good. So what you are going to do from first month to 6 month is also they have mentioned. In the first month, that will be called onboarding. So in this onboarding first month, you will familiarize yourself with company, product, infrastructure, and development environment for the first time. That is the first one. It will be more of a training. So you'll get complete initial training and start your first project under mentorship. So you don't need to worry. You'll get a proper guidance, learn development process. So first 2 months you are going to do that, right? You get complete learning. Only after the around third month you will start contributing as an independent contribution. So you'll contribute to one of the internship tracks. So you have to choose either track A or track B or track C, and then you have to start implementing features, dashboards, or reliability fixes. Then work on projects. This you are going to do in third and fourth month, right? And fifth month, right? And so most part of your part will be towards this part of the things. And by the sixth month you are get ownership and impact. So then you are, if you are confirmed, you will take ownership and apply license from debugging databases, etc., to enhance the system performance. So that is, and contribute to design discussions. That is the part of the main role, you can see. So now if you want to apply, how you can apply is basically link I'm going to give you, and that is also mentioned in the application process. You have to upload your resume. So you will have, once you upload your resume, your name, email ID, etc., will be all populated from the screen, and then you will have to add your additional mobile for contact details. You have to add your LinkedIn profile, basically, from for your more understanding, and expected CTC. And if you are already working, then 15 notice period you should be able to serve. That information is also required. And you, if you are mention your undergrad, college, and course name also. And if you're familiar with the Django or other framework, you have to say yes or no based on that. And you have to familiar with React framework. Again, there is a question about familiarity, yes or no. Then is there any internship or professional experience working with Django? That some experiences there, you can mention those roles and responsibilities, but that is not compulsory, right? And the role is a hybrid role, so you are able to relocate to Bangalore, yes or no. And how do you come to know about this opening? So that is the details which they are asking, and then you have to submit your application. So that is the standard process how you can apply. So now let me give you the link how you can apply. This is the link in the description box. You can click directly from there and apply. That's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important openings for freshers and other